Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In the previous video we showed you how to remove the strut on a Fiat 500, and it's a front strut, front left, but the same for the right as well. So today we're going to show you how to remove the spring from the strut assembly and install it on the new strut. For that purpose you need that Macpherson strut spring compressor right here. That's the one if you need it, and that's the part number right there. You can borrow it from O'Reilly for free. You just give the deposit, and when you take it back they give your money back, so it doesn't cost you anything. And now what you need to do, you need to pull those tabs, install them on the spring right there, and the same for the top one as well. Okay, like that. And now you need to screw it all the way until you have pressure on it. Okay, we installed one of them, and now we need to do the other one as well. You need two always, because one is very dangerous. So you need to get this side now and do the same trick. Okay, one right there. So now you need to get it tight until you feel some pressure on it. Now you need to go a little bit on this side and a little bit on the other side. You need to alternate sides always, not just one side. Okay, now on the other side. And we just use another socket for this side. Okay, you just need to compress a little bit more. And always make sure that the spring is out of the way, not pointing towards you, because that's pretty dangerous. If it comes off, it can kill you. That thing is really loaded. Okay, now you can see the spring is actually moving, which means that we do not have any pressure on it. And now right here you have one nut that we need to remove with a 19mm socket to get this one. And we just take it off like that. And now you can just pull the whole spring out of there. Gotta be careful. Okay, like that. And this is the old choke, this is the absorber we need. Just whatever it takes, put it the same way on the new one. Okay, this is the new one now. Okay, now we just need to install it on the new one, and you need to make sure that you go the same way that it was. The end of the spring, it needs to line up right here, as you can see. Okay, now you need to hold it straight and put the lid on top of it. And now you need to install the washer and then the nut itself, that 19mm nut. And you need to start getting it tight. Okay, now what do we need to do? You need to start uncompressing the springs again. So you go a little bit on each side again, left and right, you alternate. And it came loose, so now you can just pull the safety pins out of there, like that. And you need this thing out of there, we don't need it anymore. It's always good to have three hands, guys. It's always handy. Now, if your strut is spinning and you cannot get it tight all the way, you can use the box wrench 19mm, okay, right there, and an Allen wrench to prevent the strut stem from spinning. But ours didn't. In some cases it will, that's why it's made that way, so you can hold it with an Allen wrench on the top. Okay guys, so that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.